Okay. All right, let's see, everybody. I'm about to start today's level design stream. Hey, Geek and Keyboard and Sensei. All right, let me just go and post on Twitter and let everyone know that we are now live. Right. Hey, Praetorian Wheeze202, what's up? I think Mokismo also said hello earlier. I had to refresh the page, so I'm not sure. One second. Okay. So, Sleeping Night, hello. Welcome, everybody. Alright, so today, actually, you know what? Otherwise, it's too bright. Okay, now that I'm done with this stuff on the other screen. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I am working on this level to test out different different features for no, I'm actually in Chicago. So it is snowing. Okay, what am I doing? So I'm working on this level and we're testing out a bunch of new tools for the tree generator, kind of running through the steps. Yeah, it is very windy today. I can actually feel a draft coming through the door. So basically what I'm doing is kind of placing, this is a level I wanted to test out different, oh, hold on, I got a message from David Lasky. He's the programmer. So let's color this red. So I want to kind of test out all these different trees. Wheeze202 discovered me on Twitter. Been trying to discover level designers on Twitch. How long have I been working on this project? I've been working on it for a little over 3 years now, and I was alone on it for the first 2.5 years. As of last year, I got David. I brought David on board as a programmer to helps me. Got David on board to kind of help me out with tools programming and optimization. And as of this year, he's now on the game full time because we're, moving into the final stretch. I just want to get the game done. I don't want to have to do any programming because the problem was I sort of realized like I took it alone as far as I could go, and then I realized that a lot of what was holding me back during development was that I was constantly having to, like, the programming part was slowing me down. Oh, that's slides from my GDC talk. Okay, David is talking. There's some problem with the fog. He might come on the stream and show me what he's talking about. Yeah, we still got quite a bit of ways to go, but it definitely feels. I feel like we got really good momentum, and last year working with David, there were like when I first brought him on, there was definitely a drop in productivity for me, mostly because it was I had worked on it alone, right? So I never worked with anyone else on a big project, so there was a lot of kind of communication stuff. Hey Garrett, what's up? Hey Rio Keen X, yes, it is I think brown keys. Okay, so let's just talk to David. So hold on a second. I'm gonna bring him on board. Let me call him.
Hello.
Hello, David.
Hey.
David, we are now streaming. So
Here I am. Hello.
tell me about what is this problem? There's David's face.
Tell me your struggles.
Yes.
Okay, so you can see my screen?
Yeah, let's...
Okay, so here is the issue.
So we just, for those of you that are joining us, we previously were on legacy deferred, but we switched to deferred lighting because we can take advantage of dynamic batching. So instead of 50,000 draw calls, we get 100, which is a lot more reasonable. But deferred lighting doesn't have the built-in lighting fog. We have to use a shader.
Yes, so let me
So there's some
just generate a
discrepancies.
tree. So here is a tree, and I don't even care that it...
Hey, Bishop 26. Okay, so we got the tree.
I don't like care about the functionality of this tree. It's more about the drawing of it, and I just want to be able to see it from where I'm at. So I'm gonna scale this tree up real big.
Why are we
Just
scaling the tree right now?
I just want to always be able to see it.
Oh, okay.
For testing the shader. So like, 1 second. All right, so there we go. So part of the thing I figured out was the fog, like the issue with the global fog not drawing the cubes through is there was this property on them. You can see this code?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay, so there's this attribute that's image effect opaque, and that makes it draw the image effect immediately after opaque geometry is drawn and before transparent. So technically what was happening was it was using the depth of the opaque section to like render the fog, which was then, I guess, like caching the transparent locations. Okay. And so then technically the edge detection was reading the, like, these objects were getting put into the depth buffer like too early or something, or like the image was...
Right. Wait, let me show everyone just what the effect is. I'm going to switch to Unity just for 1 second.
Okay.
Just so basically, yeah, you can see the leaves. They are, that leaf is behind the wall, but the edges are getting drawn on top. So this is the thing David's talking about. So you said it's, it's that script
Has that image
has that
effect.
image effect. And why would they need that normally?
It's so, what is it? It's that allows you to maintain the drawing order on transparent geometry. The thing is, because we're doing a post effect, not using like a tune shader or something like that, it's causing issues.
Got it.
So let me, if I hit play, so what I did was I took that off, and then, like, let me show you this. So this is without, is that giant tree still there? Oh no, it's not in the optimized version. 1 second.
Oh, did you not put it in the world root?
Yeah. Um, all right, 1 second. Oh, I need to mark it to grow and start also.
Oh, right.
All these little steps. Just the big one, yeah. Go and start.
So because you can grow, you can choose to have trees that are already grown at the beginning or trees that aren't. We have like a little checkbox. Okay.
Okay, massive tree. There it is. Okay, so that looks right. Right, like lines and everything.
It is getting faded out. Can you do maximize on play?
I'll need to be tweaking stuff, so I can't do it entirely. But,
Okay, that's all right.
so it's getting a little faded. Let me.
Yeah. And it's not being drawn. I need to. Is it being. What happens when you go behind a wall?
So that's good.
Okay, yeah.
But you can see the artifact, and so let me change the fog color. So the fog color is gray. I think. Or wait a second.
Wait,
Oh,
I think
I'm sorry.
The
It's
fog
not
color
even.
needs to be white, right?
Yeah. Oh, so really quick, the fog's not even being drawn right now. Because you can see the hard edge in the background.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, so if I turn on fog now, it's still like, so here's part of the issue.
Why is it gray?
I just changed it to that for testing. So if I set the fog color to white, it looks, the problem is, I believe, yeah, you lose the color on this because everything behind it is still technically getting drawn, because this technically is transparent. But I have a potential fix, and this is not a hack.
By the way, hello, Zeus Monolith. Oh, right, you got Twitch banned you for some reason. Yes, I figured. Yeah, I remember. I think you were on Twitter. You said Twitch for some reason banned you for no reason.
I think this might fix it. What I just did.
What did you do?
Well, so you see the blue now.
Yeah.
So, but I think if you look in the top corner again, it might be the fog color is still not drawing right. Ugh. I have it with a thing where it's like, if I'm just like, oh, wait a second, that's why. Maybe. It's getting discarded otherwise. Yeah, so basically I'm having a hard time distinguishing, like trying to maintain all of the different components of what we want from this, because otherwise it, you see, it's like you gain one thing and then you lose another thing. And I'm feeling kind of stuck. And I was trying to do stuff inside the depth, or inside of just the image effect for depth, or what's it called? Inside of edge detection, but my graphics card was crashing every time I tried to add a parameter. So I don't think that's the route to go. But yeah, so like you can see the fog is now working. The problem is that we now lose the color in the leaves.
So you're saying I can either have the fog color or the leaf color?
Right now. So like really quick, if I move down, like notice how I move down, like this global fog. Once I move it back up, notice we get the lines back. It's a little hard to tell. Let me see if I can do it with the brighter. So this is with it before. This is with it after. So after it looks like.
There's actually too much delay on it on Skype for me to really.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, basically right now the leaves are not properly coloring. Like the thing is the stems inside are, but actually, I have an idea. I wonder if there's a stupid tree. I don't want the duplicate one. Part of me wonders if these, because technically these objects are transparent. Oh no, but then you wouldn't be able to see inside. Ugh.
What if you could? If we had to lose stuff, I think losing the inside is okay.
Well, losing the inside, then you don't have any color.
Oh.
There's got to be a way to do this, and I think we might just have to do, like, I think we might have to do the fog effect in the edge detection, like the same pass as the edge detection.
Yeah.
Yes, I just think I was doing
Why does it need to be in the edge detection? I always thought we would do it there, but that would help with the leaf color.
I think so, because
Okay.
because it's basically deciding to draw the black line or not. And so it's like, oh, if you don't draw the black line, then draw fog.
Okay, then
Or
we
like
will.
apply fog, you know what I mean? I think is what we want to do. Well, no, actually, then you need to combine it with the depth too, because if you do it like, if you draw a black line, then that means that there's going to be like really dark lines on the distance everywhere. So it just always needs to get fog multiplied on top of it, I think. But yeah, so this is where I'm currently at, and it seems like the existing solutions online aren't going to work because they're more based on transparent and like images and shaders that are happening before, not as post effects. So yeah, I'll keep you posted, but that's the latest like R&D of this.
Okay, yeah, keep me posted.
Okay.
Yeah, well, you know what it would ideally look like, and we just trying stuff until we get that. There's always a way.
Yeah, we'll find a way.
Okay, cool.
Life
Thanks.
finds a way. I do.
Yeah, well, we have the it's mostly just that we switch from deferred legacy to legacy lighting, and as a result, we can't use the built-in Unity lighting fog. As you can see, it's not it doesn't work in deferred shading, so we've had to use the image effect fog, which is giving us problems. Like either we get the leaf outlines drawn on top of walls when they're not supposed to be, or we lose the color of the leaf. So it's more, just pretty typical shader problem. Yeah, it's always that sort of pretty often where you get something that's like super close, and then it seems like if you want to have one, the other disappears. So yeah, it's like because we are doing post-processing, and then we have we've got the edge detection, and then we have transparencies, and then we've got the fog. I mean, I don't think there's like not a solution to it. It's just that it's something that's gonna take us. Yeah, eventually we'll solve it. We've been able to solve all the others, and David is getting close. I think there's just some. Eventually, we might end up asking Lexi, who is working on Spire. He seems to know Unity lighting. Or worst comes to worst, we go to GDC and then find all the Unity graphics people and ask them for help. Okay, so let's start getting this. This is a... Yeah, and by the way, oh, okay, Sleepy Night, hello. Streamception. Yeah, and yeah, if you guys are enjoying the stream, you should definitely follow. Okay, let's... What the hell? Okay, so... it won't be streamed. Hopefully, it'll be archived and be made available for free. They've done that with all the other level design talks in the past. So, so yeah, I don't think it will be streamed live. I don't think it will be live streamed, but I do think it will be archived. But you know, I do want to. I think maybe. You know what? I think tomorrow afternoon, or actually, you know what? Thursday, because tomorrow I gotta send a build of the game to Day of the Devs. But maybe Thursday afternoon I'll do a stream. I don't want to officially announce it, but just to everyone who's here, I think I'm gonna do a practice run of my talk. So it'll be half an hour. I'll have to delete the archive afterwards. Because again, I'm planning to give this talk at GDC, so it doesn't make sense to have it available online for people to watch. But I do want to run it over, so I think that'll probably be like Thursday afternoon, 3 p.m. Central Time. So basically, right now on Thursday. Let's make a tree. Yeah, scientist. Yeah, so it'll be half an hour. I gotta do. I'm gonna work on the slides a little bit more tonight. Oh, okay. So this is, I'm using my tree editor tool. this is the this isn't actually that important right now. It's what I call the trimming phase. So hey, how am I and how is starting strength going? Dark app. I am doing well. Yeah, I have been starting strength is great. This is the book. Yeah, I've been starting to, highlight different parts and using the thumb over grip when you're doing squats. Yeah, it's actually a really good book. I just I kind of read through it cover to cover, or I skimmed through it the first time, and then what I have been doing since is just kind of referencing it every now and then, and whenever I'm at the gym, I just make sure to focus on like one or two aspects that I think are helpful. Okay, so oof. Oh shit. Yikes. Wish you a speedy recovery. Isn't I thought the high bar, he talks about the high bar squat, right? That just means you have it on higher up, which I think I do that as well. What the hell? Why do I have two? Oh. Oh, right. Yeah. So I do the one on my traps. Then I'm doing high bar as well. Okay. Yeah, this year I decided to finally join a gym. Mostly because I got a futon a few weeks back and I had to carry it up 3 flights of stairs and it almost killed me. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is, let's turn this into, so yeah, let's finalize this. Single gravity, finalize. Okay, so here we go, that's, so now make sure this it grows on start. Keep your upper back tight and brace as pulling your elbows. Oh, interesting. Because I thought he said not to keep your elbows under the bar, right? Like you want to do it this way and not like that, so you're not putting the pressure there. Like, which is why you do the thumb over instead of the thumb under gripped. Alright, so this is, okay, we have our green root. So again, this is all part of our, and again, I have this favorites tab, which is super helpful when working. Okay, so this is, let's get our green boxes. Got it. Oh, I see. Okay, I need to read that more and read this book more carefully. Okay, let's move my favorites bar out of the way. So let's do, this is yellow. Am I, what the hell? Yeah, that'd be great. I will check them out. Okay, so this is yellow. Call yellow waterfall, and then we are going to do a blue, green. The green waterfall. Okay, that's it. So you know, let's save this. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, now we need to make sure all of these are inside of world root, right? Along with these also need to be inside world root, otherwise they're not going to get duplicated. Let's bring this in here. All right, cool. Let's see this. Okay, so yeah, this is the shader problem. It's super annoying. Okay, so why the hell are these? Oh, okay, so they are not tagged as environment. Right. Let's try this again. Here we go. So this is water bending. Okay, that's the green waterfall. And rotate onto this. Oh my god. This is so obnoxious. I can't fucking see anything. Yeah. Are you, which one? Are you on my website? The williamcheer.com? Yeah, that needs to get updated. I'll do that. What the hell is wrong with this water? Todd Gordon. Okay. Jesus. God, this is so much work. So what I want is now a tree that's not, we're going to make sure that this isn't grown at start. So much fucking work. Okay, let's take a look at this again. So I've got this. Ugh, it's got the fucking Z fighting. Sorry, I'm just super frustrated. Just always so many problems. That's a tree growing. Huh. There we go. So that's working. And you can even pick these off. And so you can see I've bent a stream of water. Now I do need to add some emission level because this is otherwise this is too dark in the shadow. Hey Abner, what's up? Alright, thank you. I will check it out after the stream. Can I easily switch back to the old lighting until David has it sorted out? Yes, but then we lose the dynamic batching, so the performance of it is just kind of killing me. Oh shit! This Saturday. What time is it? Unfortunately, I've got this. Fuck. No. I have an art show on. I have an art opening on Saturday at 5. Yeah, the water, we're losing all that information. That should get, this is like, that's supposed to be a double gravity tree. But, right. Alright, Dark App, we will see you around next time. Thanks for the suggestions. I'm gonna take a look at them. Hopefully improve my squat. Yeah, we're just gonna have to deal with, it's 2 p.m. PST, 4 p.m. CST. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm going to miss it. Damn, that sucks. Let's line it up to hit. Oh, fuck. I fell off. Ah, interesting. We're gonna have to go around. Well, I guess technically I can just bring this here, and then we will this is just too hard to see. This is pretty cool though. Yeah, this water needs to be like way the fuck brighter, man. It is exclusive. Oh shit. This is where you find out all the. Okay, the leaves are not. Yeah, tree leaves are not updating. They need to turn white. Oh my fucking god! There we have so many problems. Yeah, there needs to be like an emission level on this. Oh, right. So the there are parts where I am getting... Okay, so this here is screwing me up. Okay, basically whenever I walk onto this part, that's like... it's shoving me back. Why the hell is there... Oh, you know what? Why is this offset so high? Ah, okay. Oh, see, you know what it is because every time, okay, so every time the cube bends the water plane, David raises it slightly, right? So the problem ends up being that, like, fuck. The problem ends up being that because we bend this stream so many times that this... What the fuck is... Jesus fucking... Sorry. It's, I keep losing control of it because of Unity's mouse. Ugh. Okay, so what happens is every time it bends, this water plane gets raised a little bit, and we bend it so many times that the water is raised proficiently high enough that it ends up being problematic. So what it should do, it should go up and down, up and down. So... Okay, so, yeah, let me send David. Is there a cursing? Yeah, I might do that. Or I do. Alright, I need to put this on here. Okay, so many problems. Yeah, it's video games. People swear all the time. I don't swear that much. Just when it's not going my way. Yeah, they should just mark game dev, hashtag game dev as mature. It's to be expected. Oh my god, okay, so where are we? Yeah, and I only noticed that the water level was being raised because when I try to walk, um, when I try to rotate onto this, when I try to rotate onto the surface, it shoved me back here, and I ended up getting stuck in the space between this water plane and that wall, right? So, and normally that wouldn't happen because this should be flat. So, oh god, life is hard. HR free zone. So that's kind of those things. Let's go ahead and add some single gravity trees. Okay, so what can we do here? All right, so let's take another tree. We'll just take this one and we'll copy it over and move it here. And yeah. HR free zone. It's a good thing I don't have an HR department here. HR department is just me. So grow on start. Uncheck. Now both of these we are going to go ahead and make them purple trees. Right, it is almost 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna wrap up this stream soon. There's just a ton of work left, as you can see. We're just doing a lot of tests. Yeah, do you guys have any questions? By the way, yeah, definitely check out Abner's stream on Saturday. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make it. Yeah, and if you like the stream, make sure to follow. But yeah, well, I'll be in tomorrow. I'll be streaming tomorrow, and also, where is the purple water? Also, you guys should know that that's Abner. So, and on Thursday, 3 p.m. I'm not going to announce it on Twitter, but for the stream, I'm actually going to be streaming I'm going to be going through my GDC talk. So, I'm going to be doing a practice run. It'll be 30 minutes. So I'll be deleting the archive right after. Because I'm planning to give this talk at GDC, but I'm going to use it as a practice run. So if you guys are interested in that, it's level design with impossible geometry. If you can't make it to GDC and want to come hear about it, that'll be a good place. But also, also because I would just love your the feedback as well. Hey, Ezio Auditore! We are just about to finish. And you showed up, but I am actually neither. I'm not in IGS nor the main conference. I'm in the level design workshop. So it's like the IGS. It's a summit that happens before the main GDC. So it's happening at the same time as IGS. It's on Tuesday. It's part of the level design workshop. So the focus is on level design. Joel Burgess, he is lead level designer at Bethesda. So he worked on Fallout 4, Skyrim. He's the one that kind of organized that together, and the yeah. So the rehearsal, I'm going to be doing it on Thursday at 3 p.m. Central Time, 1 p.m. Pacific. So basically, it's like today's stream. There we go, grew a tree. Very ugly looking tree, but yeah. So Summit Pass. Well, so yeah, I am going to be using it as a rehearsal and to get feedback. So all right, so that's all working. This is great. Let's take a screenshot. Yeah, the Summit Pass gets you in. Let's see how this level is running. Ooh. It's at 500. Oh, right. Okay, it is 4 o'clock, so I am going to end the stream now. I'll be on tomorrow, probably same time, 3 p.m. CST, 1 p.m. Pacific, and then on Thursday, yeah. So Thursday, I won't be announcing it. I would just say like game dev stream, but I'm going to be treating it as a rehearsal for my GDC talk on impossible geometry, and. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you all for stopping by. And if you like the stream, make sure to follow and tell other people about it. Okay.